Hello, hello, hello. Testing the mic. Okay. Please, if you are already joining, can you confirm that you can hear me clearly and that you can see me and the background noise is not that loud? Yeah, so that's the first thing I usually do to confirm from the chat. So let me know if you can hear me clearly. Yeah, so today we are basically going to be doing some live coding of my projects. Yeah, thank you so much, Jason. Jason can hear me loud and clear. Thank you so much for confirming that. Yeah, nice. Today we are basically going to be doing a live coding session where I build my side project live with you guys, so you can also like give thoughts, feedbacks on like the code, and you can also like suggest things to add, remove, stuff like that. So I just want to like take you on my journey and how I do things basically. Yeah, so I currently have like let me give you a backstory of like where I'm going to be continuing today. I've done some live coding on some of my projects before. I have two active projects that I'm currently working on. You know, as developers, you only have like multiple projects that you ideas that you want to work on. My top two is number one is GatherGift. I started that one like late last year. It is a platform whereby people can go to create a wish list, probably like for convocation or wedding or any event that they want to do. they will now share, they are going to list the items that they will need for the event, and then create a link on the platform and share with their families and friends, for them to kind of like contribute to the cause. And yeah, so that's basically what GatherGift is all about. Let me share my screen and show you guys. Let me quickly show you what that looks like at the moment. But that's not where we are going to today. But then just to give you like a backstory, and for people that have joined the live stream where they saw me coding GatherGift, and now today I'll be working on something else. So the reason I'm not going to be working on GatherGift today is because I'm currently having a conversation with the payment gateway provider that I'm using, Flutterwave, and they've decided to kind of like jump on a call with me to look at my use case and all, because like on the last live stream, even the people that joined, we have like and a very hard time kind of like understanding what the API what the API is all about and stuff for a particular endpoint. So there's a little bit of confusion there, so they give the option to like jump on a call with me. So this is like the current state of like GatherGift, where you can create a wish list for any occasion, let's say like for your graduation or anything. So that's wedding, birthdays, vacations, you want to buy a house, so you can basically just create a wish list for it here, and then you share it with your family. Yeah, so that's basically like the first project, but we are not going to be working on it today on this live stream. And yeah, so this is a chat between me and Flutterwave team, their customer success team. A big shout out to them. They are very, 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 very helpful with helping out with setting things up from my end. We have about like 30 conversations, and those guys are like very, very helpful. And yeah, so the last message I got from there was like 1 day ago, but I checked it this morning. I checked my mail this morning, then I realized like they've requested I book a call with them so that we can jump on a call and then fix it. So I'm going to be booking a call with them on this live stream as well. Yeah, those guys are very, very helpful. This is the email they sent to me. So I wanted to follow up on my previous mail. Apologies for the inconvenience, because there were a lot of like back and forth in trying to like kind of like understand the situation and how the endpoint works. Yeah, so the endpoint is all about like I want to create an account with Flutterwave, whereby the account is going to have like sub accounts that is going to be attached to each of the wish list item here. So when a user pays, so when someone wants to like support the wish item, and so for each of the wish items or wish list rather, so each of these items here are the wish items, and these all stuffs are wish list. So if we want to like support where the money is going to be going to, should be a sub account of the platform, and it should be attached to each of the wish list. So there were issues with like how to set that up for my own use case, so they volunteered to like jump on a call with me as well. Yeah, so that's basically it. And now they said I should jump on a call so that they can, we can have like a one-on-one conversation on like the use case. So that's basically like where we are now. So, and there's no slot for today, so I decided to just like work on another project till tomorrow. So instead of just being idle, so I'm just going to fix a meeting for tomorrow, which is Wednesday. And I think okay, they only have 1:30. Yeah, so I think I'll just go for the first one. So by 12:30 we are done with the meeting, and then maybe I can live stream for the remaining one if I don't have any urgent work. Yeah, so I can just nest. Did I select any minute? Okay, it's just 30 minutes, so I'll just go for the first one, so that I will be done by 12:30, or hopefully after 12. So next, my name, email. The email I'm using is not this. I'm using GatherGift. Ticket ID, I'm not sure. He didn't also send me the ticket ID. Okay, they sent the message twice already. I can't remember. Hmm. There's no ticket ID here actually. Maybe I missed it. Let me check. Maybe it's at the front. There's no ticket ID here. There's no ticket ID. Okay, your ticket ID is, but let me be sure if this from Abraham Joe. Joe didn't give me, is the one I'm supposed to like fix a call with, but then he didn't send me a ticket ID. What to do? Maybe this trade, okay, this is another ticket ID again. So which one am I going to send? And Joe didn't send me anyone. Joel. Is it Joel or Joel? Joel didn't send me any ticket ID. He didn't send me any ticket ID, so how will he know that it's from me? And it is compulsory on the form. Okay. Oh, let me just message him. I'll just say, hey Joe, happy to block a time on your calendar. So by 11:30 p.m. tomorrow, by 11:30 p.m. However, I can't find any ticket ID from you. On chat here. No, so I've sent. Yeah, so that is sent. That is sent. Yeah, so just wait for him so that we can have a ticket ID. I didn't just want to like put the previous one there, so I'll just pin this and this. Yeah, so that's basically for like GatherGift. The next thing we'll just do is head over to like the new project. So for the new project, it is a professional typing skill platform whereby like if you're a developer, you can go there and type codes like the speed that you can type, and it's also available for like other professionals as well. So I'm just like coming up with like the UI. It also have the light mode, so I'm just coming up with the UI, and yeah, so it's just even less than kind of like 24 hours that I started it. It's not even up to 24 hours that I started this project already, but it's always been on my bucket list. And if you go to my portfolio, I have like an old version that I've done in the past. This is the developer typing game that I've done in the past. So, and this was way back as 2021. So I just want to like build another version where you can see how it is. You can basically like be typing code and then you see your performance and all. So I built something like this in the past, so I just want to like build a recent version. So this version was done during an Ashnoda hackathon back in 2021, and I lost the backend to this code, the hosting, because of like Heroku not giving out free hosting anymore. So I didn't move it back then, so I lost it. So I'm going to be working on a new one now. Now that I'm free. So that's basically what I've been doing. So that's what we are going to like do here as well. That's what we are going to do here today. Yeah, so let me check. I'm trying to check some platforms in the chat. Okay. Okay, so I'll just continue like with the UI part. The UI part will be the first one. I already like kind of like do the landing page. This is the landing page. Kind of like I think I'm kind of like happy with this so far, but then there's still like some things to that can still be better. So which that's what I'm currently working on. But for the state of the coding, you just select like your profession. If you're a programmer, you're a technical writer and stuff like that. So if you select for that programmer, then your level, maybe you're an intermediate, and then you can select whether you want a short programming or long, and you can set a timer for yourself. Maybe something you feel like for the short, maybe you want to complete it in like 60 seconds or so, so you can basically like go for that option. So and then you can start the game, and this is where the game is. So these are just like kind of like rough, coming up with prototypes and stuff. So then you can type. If you make any mistake, you will see like it's showing red, and then it's going to be shaking the input. So that's one feature, and then you can continue typing. So this one doesn't have a timer, so it's until you are done. So let me be fast here. 1 2 space 3. Oh, so you 3 oh 3 4 reduce sum 0 and this. So my word per minute is 24 and my accuracy is 100%. And then profession, okay, this is also right. So there. So and then you can view the leaderboard. Leaderboard is going to look something like this. So these are just like prototypes. So this live stream, I'm just going to like be perfecting like the UI, kind of like not perfecting but improving. There's no perfect software, so I'm just going to be improving it. Yeah, so that's what we are going to be doing on this call. Yeah. So let's go back home. So I'll just kind of like pick it up from like the landing page and see where we can go from here. Yeah, so I already have this opened. Okay. Yeah, so let's see. Okay, so this is the code, and then we're going to pick it up from like the landing page. Yeah, I think I'm happy with like the copies here. Master of Professional Typing Games. Mm. So I'm looking for a color that we can yeah. So I started a prototype from VO. So VO is a product from Vercel. Is an AI that can help you quickly like generate like prototypes that you can you know use pick up for your ideas. So I asked it to like generate some kind of like variants for me. So that's where I'm getting back to. So this is where I started off from till I get to this point. Yeah. So I'm looking for that particular history where I could just go back. Okay, this not it. I think like maybe like the VO team can just like kind of like make a preview, like somewhere you can just select to see like the history. They just have like latest year. I just want to like click the history of this project. Maybe it's available. Maybe I can find it, folk, so that like I can basically like go through like all the histories. But from here now, I can't find it. Hmm. Okay, cool. So I think like showing the latest now. But this is not what I want. There's one version that I like the color. I asked it to improve it, then it makes it worse. This is what I'm looking for. Is it? And I can't kind of like open the source code for this in a particular tab, because like the URL doesn't change. It just opens like the editor. I would have liked it to like enable me to like open this version on a new tab, so that I can kind of like compare what I want to compare. But then I can preview it, but then the source code still remains. Like the URL doesn't change. Yeah, not sure this is what I'm looking for. I was sending a screenshot, like doing some other designs and sending it to it, so that it can come up with like what I wanted. So what do you think about this version? Because like to me, I prefer this version, between this version where like where everything is kind of like centered with border, and this full page is kind of like always like common, but then I just want something like focus, like everything is just at the center, yeah, and everything is at the center. You can select and do whatever you want, rather than everything is just like too big. So let me know what your preference is. Yeah, so I think this is what I'm looking for. I think this is yeah. So I'll just pick this section. I think that's what I'm looking for. So I'll go to feature. Let's see. This is the page. Feature. Okay, this is the feature section. And then we can Yeah, so I think this is a section. Oops. Yeah, let's see. Okay, that works. Then shouldn't have like shouldn't have that padding. Yeah, shouldn't have padding. And I think like the feature section has this background. I don't want it to be there. Yeah, cool. So it should just blend. So only the section should just have it. And then I think like instead of just having 4, we should just have like 2. That's my thought. So we can just have like 2. So from SM, or better still from MD, so it should just be 2. So we don't need 4 on LG. Okay, so we need to delete this. Free. Yeah. Padding top should have more like 24. So I want this to kind of like through spreading. So maybe we can just come here and give it a max width of, okay, that doesn't do it. Let's do MD. Max width of, wow. Okay, this is large, extra large. Master your professional typing skill. So what we can do is for this we can give it like leading, let's see, leading like 8. I hope it's not that big. We could use snug. Yeah, I think that's too much. Maybe loose. Just use 8. Okay. Let's play with the line height. Yeah, so 14. This is okay. No, it's not. We could do leading. Yeah. 1.5. 1.2. Yeah, I think 1.2 is okay. So master your professional typing skills. Improve your typing speed and accuracy with professional specific practice. Bid for more than professional, blah blah blah. So I want to also like improve this button so that it's going to have this instead. So we can come here, check these 2 styles, and then we can replace. Yeah, so I think that looks much better. Start practicing few leaderboards. Yeah. So for this leaderboard, I think like we could just add like emoji targets. It's really good. Oh no. It's not doing what I want. Let's look at Lucid target. Yeah, something like this. So we can do target. I think I don't have it installed yet. I think let's install Lucid. So we can do pm install Lucid. I think it's Lucid React or React Lucid. Okay, Lucid React. Yeah, so we can now do target from Lucid. Why is it not showing up? Target, copy JSX. It should be Lucid React. Yeah, it is Lucid React. Maybe we can, okay, it's even already here. Kind of, I just installed it. Okay, but it's working, but then I don't know why it's, let me close this. Maybe, okay, still there, but no problem. Might be the code editor acting up. So we can do flex item center, give the gap of 1. Yeah, leaderboard, view leaderboard, start processing. But then I feel like okay. Yeah. So I think I'm happy with this so far. So we can just leave this and then go to the header. I want the header to also have like same width. Layout. So in this border, I want to okay. Okay, so can use perfect so and then we can do MX auto. Yeah, cool. So we just have to specify border. Just give it a border. Yeah. So we just have it like this. I think I'm happy with what we have. I'm happy with what we have. I'm happy with this. And in light mode. Okay. So for light mode, I have to fix this. I'll just swap green for this in light mode. Video white should be dark. Texture should be dark as well. Should be emerald. Yeah, I'm trying for light mode and text white. Yeah, let me just make it 800, 700. Yeah, so for this we can just make it like an outline. Can make this dark, BG. Here's the boy first. Text emerald 700. View leaderboard. Yeah, I think that works. So, the border color can be border emerald 200. Let's see. Let's just check it like the default one. Let me play with it. 300. That was too noisy. I think the regular border just work for now. Yeah. So for dark, don't be border 0. And for this section, which is like the feature section, so dark. BG will be gray 50. Yeah, gray 50. And the heading here, this is for dark. To have a text of gray 900. Yeah, gray 900. So we have this section as well. So this is for dark, and then we can have text gray. I can also like, maybe I should consider like changing all this gray to like slate later on. I can just change it to like slate later on. Hi Rido Olympic, how you doing? What's good? Yeah, so everything is going on well. Good. I'm basically working on a project where professionals can just come and type based on their profession. The user can come and type based on their profession. So let's say, for instance, if you're a programmer, you can click I'm a programmer intermediate, and then I want a long text to type. So you can go ahead and then you type. So that's basically what we are currently working on. So I'm currently like beautifying like the landing page, because landing page is very important when you want to like showcase your your product. So I'm currently working on like making the landing page, and then we will just take it down to here, fix what is fixable, down to the gaming center. But overall, everything seems to be working. The prototype seems to be working. So for now, so you can type some, and if you make mistake, it's just going to like be shaking. So That was good so far. And yeah, so thank you so much for joining the live stream. So let's go back to the code. So what I'm currently doing is basically improving like the light mode for the landing page. You can see like the dark mode looks good, and it is also the default. But then I want to improve like the light mode. So that's what we're currently working on. And yeah, so ensure to stick around and also contribute. Let me know your thoughts. So we have green 900, yeah, and let's see, yeah, it's coming out nice. And for here, this is going to be dark, and then we can have this gray 600. Yeah, so I think it's coming up nice. So I need something like 100 background to show on the 50 background. So I can say this is dark, and we can say this is BG slate 100. So it should maybe I should do something like emerald. No. That's not. Let me remove these overstates. We don't need an overstate here. We don't need an overstate. So I can just stick with like gray 100. And what happens if we change gray to slate, or better still to zinc? Yeah, I think that's much better. Yeah, that's much better. Zinc is always like kind of like cool. Yeah, I think that works. Yeah, I think I'm happy with what we have. Yeah. So I think we can proceed. So I want to change, like, I've not actually like decided on like the final name, but then I think like ProType challenge. I'm going to go for that for now. ProType challenge. Wait, let me just add an emoji. Target. ProType challenge. Yeah. Yeah. So I think we can move on to the next one now. And the next one will be this page. So what do you think about this page? I don't want to like use drop down. I don't want to use drop downs. So I want something with visual like this. Or maybe I should make this to a drop down, while this should just remain as cards like this. Let me know what you guys think. Because like I think that there's just too many buttons. I'm just feeling like, oh, there's too many buttons. But having a button makes it easier to just click and move on. It just makes it easier to click and move on. So let me know your thoughts. Should I keep this as button, or just keep it as the button, or drop down? So I'm looking for the settings. So they're coming from here. if I'd say if you're going to make use of button, you could say action level. We need bracket, and then we have select. Yeah. Okay, so we could use BG Emerald, like now on trend, and instead of, let's just make it like hidden, invisible. Hidden. Cybersecurity analyst. So should we? I think like this just like make it much easier. So I think I would just go for like this drop down, to be honest, instead of like having buttons. Instead of like having this, I'll just go for having like a button here like this. I think that's what I would do. Alright, I can just keep this. Let's have this. We can have like a key to level. We have this. Not on click, but on select. Should be. Yeah, so on select. Oh, and I think I can do capitalizer. I can do capitalizer. Trusting, and we can select value to be level now is not assignable to string number. Level string number, don't have that. Yeah, so it expects undefined. But why do we have undefined? Okay, it can be undefined. No, it shouldn't be undefined. It should have like a default value, which is like what do you have here? Or just like intermediate. So intermediate, you just be like the default value there. So what do you have here? You provide the value pro to feed without an unchanged allow. This is not really should be mutable useful value, otherwise set unchanged. Yeah, so yeah, so it should be unchanged. Unchanged, then we can have our level here. Then there should be e dot value is a target dot value. That's all we need. Level equals to this as level, and we can do level here. So that script should be happy with us now. And yeah, so I think I'm happy with this. I think that's fine. Then we need to change this length as well. Let's see. Type length. Can comment this out. See. Excited that as type. Illustration. So this should be this should be short. This should be duration. This should be short. This should be long. Yeah, so I think the UI is kind of like we are breaking it down instead of like just having buttons everywhere. So you can select your profession, game settings. Let me duration. Let's see time. Then we can do just level, and then we can have profession. Yeah, professional game settings, professional level, type, enable, timer. Then the timer is going to show you. Then we can start the game. Yeah, so I think I'm happy with this page as well. So yeah, so I think I'm happy with this page, like with the design. So there's a little layout shift happening here. I won't let that slide. So what I can do is timer. Let's see. So it has an height of 50, so we could just give like the whole of this an height of 15. So yeah, so you can see now that there's no layer shift anymore, so everything just works great. So for this level, you can just give like a cursor pointer, like we know that we can click here. and even with the height, like okay. Yeah. So yeah, so I think this is good. I think there's a way to add like a padding here. Let's see, we could have components input. Select let's use shad cn components. You can add more life to it. Okay. Okay, countries of UI. Mm, not sure why the let me do labor. Store. What am I copying? Now should we do? So we have select label now, but the select doesn't want to work. I hope it works this time. Oh, I see. Listen. Oh, so I think let's see if we can control this. Should we full it? Yeah. Yeah, so there's no difference between the two now. Sharp. Okay, I think I'm happy with that. We can just make it like a little bit bigger. Hopefully we should be able to use padding. Okay, there should be size. Oh, let's chill. No size. Okay, it has an height of 900. Constant. Yeah, cool. And then we can delete this and do the same for type. Type length. Yeah. Before. Value change. Yeah, so that's how it's done. We'll do the same thing for type. Duration. Select type. And yeah, cool. So select level, select type. Select level, select type. Long, short, hash. I don't like this layer shift. No, I don't like this layer shift. Let's see if it's possible. Prevent. Yeah, I think I've come across this before. Let's see. It's still happening. Maybe I should restart the server. They work too. Still didn't work. Noise.
Wait, huh? Wait.
Let's see. Oh, you have to be making use of scrubber gutter. I wasn't using that before, but then let's see. I hope it doesn't create another effect. Still didn't work, that's weird. It just creates more gutter. That's the same issue I'm facing here. Yeah, this is much better. So I just switched to sticky instead of like using fixed, because like when this scrubber is being removed, so it's causing like a layer shift. So but there's still tiny little layout shift here. There's still layout shift, tiny one, but it's not noticeable. I think that makes more sense. Let's go to the home page and see if, yeah, still works fine. Still works fine. So select this and instead of using blue, can we just make it profession select? To be emerald. Yeah, I'm thinking like what kind of like white would be better. Like white should be better. So this type, we are going to have a default one. Default file should be this. Yeah, and this. Intermediate. Yeah, so we can select whatever we want. So I think I'm happy with this. I'm happy with that. Yeah, so I would just enable timer and then duration programmer beginner want a long time and start again. Yeah, so I think this would be this will be the next page for us, like how I look into. Yeah, so let's go back to coding. Programmer Pro long. Okay, so let's go to the code. This is done. Not needed. Not needed. Not needed. Not needed. Undo. Oh, that is not assigned to profession. So I think what I can do is for others. We can add this others. Others and description. Empty. So no need for we doing this, and no need for us having a separate button. Yeah. And yeah, so no need. Still the same thing. So yeah, vlog is not saving to type level. Short duration. Isn't it the same level? Say long type level, and long is also type level. Level proper. Long or short. So okay, duration and duration level. Okay, so I think I see where the program is. Pushing the duration. So TypeScript is happy now. Yeah, so TypeScript is happy now. So let's go and see what is going on in the game itself. So for this we could CSS we can use up here. Then we can remove this. So the signature I kind of like add to do find error and add here. So when a user makes mistakes, want to be like kind of like playing the sound, like you're making a mistake, I'm making a mistake. So okay, the level is showing undefined. Level select intermediate. Select level. New level. Select level. Level. Level of beginner. Okay, level, yeah, it's working now. Oh, I didn't change anything there. So okay, if it is intermediate, sure shows it is beginner box. It is pro. It doesn't work. If it is intermediate, it doesn't work. Showing undefined. So what's the problem? So game page, yeah, version level, type, and can do from here profession level, time enabled, time duration, and we can do type equals game settings dot type, and then we can special it from here. Get type and type as duration. Should it be type? It should be duration. Duration. Duration and duration and duration. Yeah, so and type game we can have this is what we check for what kind of profession complete. See game text. Where's game text? Game text. Not profession because a programmer. Then bring this. Okay. Let me generate more games. Can use chat. um level. Okay. Self-type. So we need to generate like what these professions are going to type. So this is what they are going to type, and this is what their profession is. So for this profession should be profession. Okay, I leave it as type since like this is profession slide. It should be profession as well. Profession, and we can say that now I want to generate like more of this. So we should have like 3 variants. It's like pro. Yeah, pro. We should have like fast. Advanced. Yeah. Yeah. So in the mock data, we want to have professional, beginner, intermediate. So we'll have pro as well. Advanced. So here we have programmer, beginner, professional level, duration, short, duration, duration. So we can duration long. We can have short. So we can have like for programming level short, programmer, beginner, short, long, stuff like that. So we have different variants. So I'm asking ChatGPT to generate like those text schemes for me. So we could say generate variants for the profession and duration and the level for each. So for programmer, we can have beginner level, then short, the long version. Yeah. So let's see what's going to come out with. So just to generate like dummy data for instead of like having to do it myself. That's one good thing about like AI. We don't even have like we don't have a duration of medium. So this for programmer, so short, beginner, intermediate, technical, beginner, technical, intermediate, medium. Yeah, so let's see. Yeah, we don't have just click log. Just click down. Log. So when it comes to programmer advanced and long, then we do start game. Yeah, cool. So it's giving us this. So I think what I just need to do is improve this design, like this of our design. Need to improve this page. So the default, I also need to set the default value. Default value, game settings. Need to set game settings default values. So we have duration, level, intermediate, profession, time duration, loss of compression, time duration, profession, let's say, business compression, time duration. Plus, time duration, profession. Okay, so to just be like, if someone just click this, so basically, like, even when I just click start game, so I wanted to like go to like pick the others. So let's ask generate the general text for a profession of others. Yeah, so yeah, exactly. So yeah, so we have this. Yeah, so we can also develop a structured plan to achieve a medium term goal, breaking it down into actionable steps and setting deadlines. Oops. Yeah. So I think we are making progress over there. We just need to improve this input box. Text area, border, we don't want. Maybe the border should have that. Anyway, on like 200, that's too much. Like 800, maybe 900. Oops. Dark. Have the following text. I don't like the position of this. Maybe we can have the following text. Maybe we should just bring it to the center, maybe. And remove this guy. Make it extra small that before in text. And type the following text, and yeah, what's going on here? The element has no supported sources. Oh, I see. So it's coming from this guy here. So we can comment that so that we don't have error. So we have a loading state. We have a loading somewhere. We can pass off. Let's see it. Yeah, loading. So we can say flex justify center and center, and the mean height of print loading. Yeah, I know. Yeah, so I don't like that. The layout. So I have to change this. I have to change this. I have to use something from. Let me pick something from the other project. Say, GatherGift. Does GatherGift have? Doesn't. Okay. Yeah. So next teams. Is the next team ready? Let's see. Do we have the next team? Okay. Yeah, it's going to make like using 10 million. And now I can make use of the use thing on the layout. So we don't need all of this. And we don't need this. And setting. I don't need this. And to setting with the setting. So we can, how many times are we using this? So we can do is dark mode equals to thin equals to dark. So we cannot do dark mode, and don't need this. And for this previous, we're going to first plan is assignable to kind of, so if previous team yeah, we can just okay, because dark return light s return dark. Right, so I think I can even, well, let me see if it works before I factor. Just come here. Yeah, cool. So everything looks great now. Oh, now so then change this layout. This thing layout. Toggle team. If previous team is dark, change it to light. S, change it to dark. But that's not what I mean. So no. Okay. Oh, so you have to. Okay. Yes, one trigger. Plus scene change. Trigger. Okay, I think that's now. I think it needs Team provider. And the provider dark is going to, we are not going to enable system here, so it's going to be like dark by default. Yeah, so yeah, perfect. Yeah, perfect. Yeah, so yeah, I know this will happen. So what we need to do is so we can do team order as we did here. So we use team order instead. So team order, so that's just like kind of like storing whatever we get into like that state to solve the bug that I have in here. Okay, so it says resolution failure because it's already that HTML demand declined as a result. Yeah, so it's coming from class name dark. Do we have this? Oh, I see. So for this, I think I need to make use of a code renderer. Let me check what I'm using. Okay. Okay, remake. Yeah, so I think I'm happy with what we've been able to like do today. Like been able to like come up with the landing page, which I'm kind of like happy with. Let me know what you think about this landing page that we've done so far. And this screen is much better than when we have um, this card for the level and the type as well. And then we've been able to like set the timer as well. So we set like 10 seconds and we start writing. The timer duration is not passed. Let me take a look at that. Timer duration is 0 by default. Timer duration. Okay, we are doing set timer duration here instead of. We don't need this. We don't need this. We don't need this. All we need is this set. Come here and do undo timer. So it's going to be a number and timer duration and timer duration, which is then we change this to this. And you can do aim setting. Dot timer duration. So this should be event. Now we can have my duration, or better still, can leave it as number. Then leave this as this. Then we have game settings and duration. So that's how it. And we can do technical. This coming from like the team extra later. So we write external passed. It's passing at 0. Games. Timer duration. So we have undo, enable timer, enable, simple line. So we can have this and we won't need game settings. So everything should work now. My duration is still 0. Okay, that's because I didn't adjust it. Okay, I didn't even enable it, so we can just do 30 seconds. 30. Yeah, so this works. Time left. This time left can be at the top. Yeah, and it should be let's see. Let's try it. Yeah. So we can do the hello. So the time starts counting from there. It's structured plant. Yeah, new steps and setting deadlines. Yeah, what per minute for 7? What's the average first? $40 per minute. Oh, that's good. 47. Okay, so admin 60, speed of 60 to 90 requires a unique speed of 6. So I think we have like we made a significant progress. We can do 6. Yeah. Your results. Yeah, play again. Take care. Yeah. So this is the enable timer. What I'm even thinking is that for the design, which would be like the final thing I'll do. So wrapping up the live stream. Let me know if you have questions. So I could do just 5v2. Yeah, cool. So enable. That feels more better than it's been, and I think I can make use of like switch here. Shard CN switch rather than toggle switch. Oh yeah, cool. So we can make use of this. So let's see. Yeah, we could do this. But then I have to think a little bit more about that. Instead of this, we can make it of switch and checked and on check change. I think it just sends for this one. I just sends like the checked disabled not no. Yeah, let's see what we have. Yeah, cool, much better. I think I like this. Yeah, so we just need to design using the style that we have there. Really, no. Does it have size? Doesn't. No. So we could do BGM rate of say 700. Let's see. So I think we can check radix and how to style that. Okay, color and give it green. So what does this color do? Style, shard, CN, switch. Okay, I should be able to just check. Forgotten. Should be able to just check this. Okay, this is a tongue. I checked. Let me run it. Yeah, I think I'm happy with this now. No, I'm happy with that. Yeah. But then we can say flex wrap if needed. If needed. Wrap. Just in great. So let's see if the time we stop when we are set 10 minutes. So 10 seconds to prolong is structured. Oh, 3 seconds. Plan to okay, nice. Stopped. Yeah, so I think I've been able to like achieve my to-dos for today. The Gather gifts, we are still waiting for like the ProType team to send the ticket ID so that I can put it in the call. And yeah, so that's the reason I'm jumping on this one. ProType challenge, so that you can type based on your profession, and then you will get on the leaderboard. Then you can practice again and again until you go up. So that's basically what we did today. And yeah, so that'll be all from me today. And eventually I'm going to be making this like the code open source so that you can check it out and contribute if you want to, or just like have it and build on top of it, which is totally fine. So you can let me know what you think about this live stream. You can let me know what you think about the project as well. So yeah, so I'm going to be wrapping up in a couple of minutes now. So in a couple of minutes I'll be leaving the live stream. So if you have questions, if you have any contributions, you can let me know. Yeah, well, I feel like the designs are much better than what I come up with in the morning. Yeah, so this is much better, I think so. Perfect. Okay, so see you guys on the next one. So basically, when I get the response from the ProType team, I'll be able to like continue on this GatherGift project. So yeah. So bye bye guys.